Tomato-covered truck.
Today is Tomato Festival Day. I'm going to deliver goods for the shops. Wow! What's happening? Kids, please don't throw tomatoes at me. I can't see anything.
A delivery truck is in trouble at the Tomato Festival. Let's go check it out. Welcome to the TinkerBot repair shop. How can I help you? Oh my goodness! What happened here?
I went to the Tomato Festival, and now I look like this.
Don't worry. First, I need to chase away these flies. Then I'll clean you up. Let's start. All the flies are gone. Now let's go to the washroom. Dirt level. Very, very dirty. Dirt type. Tomatoes. Vehicle size medium. Okay, let's begin. First, rinse with clean water. Use strong water spray. Now add bubbles. Scrub the whole body. Rinse time. Next, blow dry with a dryer. Finally, wax and polish. All done! You smell nice now. No tomato smell anymore.
Wow! Thank you so much! I smell fresh now. Before, I smelled like rotten food.
You're welcome. During Tomato Festival, be careful and stay away from the crowd.
Yes. I need to hurry back to deliver goods now. Bye-bye, TinkerBot.
Take care. Remember, if you have any problems, come back anytime. Bye.